Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the NYX Diamond Ice Please lipsticks. These are lipsticks that they just released with their holiday collection. So if you're interested in seeing how these lipsticks look and how they perform, stay tuned. So another item that NYX released for its holiday collection is their Diamond Ice Please lipsticks. Now they released 6 shades, and let me read to you exactly what it says about this lipstick from their website. It says, Diamonds and Ice Please lipstick. It says, our ultimate saturated lipstick just got a bling over. In 6 stunning shades to complement all holiday looks and all skin tones. High saturation satin color. This high pigment color has strong color payoff and a gorgeous satin finish. Blingy top coat. The super blingy top coat makes it the ultimate holiday essential. And like I said, these come in 6 shades and they retail for $9 a piece, and they are part of the 2020 holiday collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share all 6 of them with you. The first one I will try on so I can tell you how it feels going on. And the others, I will do a swatch for you on my hands, and I will insert a picture next to the swatch so you can see what the lipstick looks like on me. That way we can save a little bit of time and make this video as quick as possible. So let's go ahead and dive in and check these lipsticks out. So here is what the packaging looks like on the lippies. This is 2 of the 6. I think for me the packaging is a little bit plain, especially for the holiday season. I definitely would have liked to see a little bit more bling and holiday-ish looking stuff, maybe some rhinestones or something, but that's just me. Again, there's what they look like up close, the packaging. Okay. And it does say NYX on the front. I'm not really sure if you can see that when I hold it up. It's like right along there, along this area. Okay. And there are a total of 6 of them. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first color that we are going to take a look at and that I'm going to try on for you is called Good Look. And here's what that looks like. The color is really, really pretty. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have like a sparkly effect around the outside. Hoping you guys can see that. Okay. Go ahead and swatch it real quick. Oh, this color is beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at that. That's what it looks like. So let me go ahead and throw this on and tell you what it feels like. Oh, it glides really, really smoothly. Really nice. This color is gorgeous, guys. It is like a magenta color and I am absolutely loving it. It feels really good on the lips. This glides on like butter. I love this. Let me come a little bit closer so I can show you what it looks like on. And again, it went on super smooth and the color payoff is magnificent. Love this. Worth the $9 to me, but I am an absolute lipstick junkie. So the next color we're going to swatch is called Icon Living. And here is what Icon Living looks like. This is a gorgeous purple color. Okay. Ooh, that is definitely purple. Look at that. That is Icon Living right there. I love that too. I'm not sure how it's going to look on me, but I absolutely love it. The next color in this collection is Gemstorm. Okay. And here's what Gemstorm looks like. Now I'm not really seeing any kind of shimmer once I swatch them or put them on the lips. I think that's just more decorative. But let's go ahead and swatch Gemstorm. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So, so pretty. It is a deep, deep burgundy-ish color, and look at that. I am in love with this color. Absolutely stunning. And again, they swatch like butter. These lipsticks are fantastic. Fantastic. And next up, we have On the Rocks. And here's what On the Rocks looks like. This is a very nice nudie type of color. Very pretty. Look at that. There it is. And that's On the Rocks. Okay, 2 more colors to go, guys. Next up, we have High Key. And this is a pretty color as well. Here's what that looks like. Oh gosh, that's pretty. I know I probably said that about every one of these lipsticks, but every one of them is absolutely gorgeous. I am living for them. Okay. Here is what High Key looks like. Look at that color. These colors are so pretty, and this collection is just gorgeous. I'm actually very happy I picked it up. And the last color in this collection, guys, is called Royal Clapback. And here's what that looks like. And here is what Royal Clapback looks like. It is also a purplish color, but nowhere near as purple as this. This is like electric purple. It's like bam, in your face purple. And this is like, hey, I'm wearing purple, but I'm not trying to show you that I'm wearing purple, if that makes sense. All right, guys, one more quick look at all 6 of the colors swatched on my hand there. So that was it. That was everything in this NYX Diamond Ice Please lipstick collection. Again, there are a total of 6 lipsticks and they retail for $9. And at last check, they were still available on NYX's website. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these lipsticks was your favorite color. I'm gonna have to say that mine was Gemstone here. Absolutely love that color. I love them all, but I think this one is my favorite. But anyway, guys, that is everything that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Now, before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.